How you doing? I'm Rhonda again with the Howard Happenings. Sorry, my last live got deleted after fussing with Brooklyn. John wanted to make sure her grilled cheese didn't get burnt, and she was hanging on me. But nonetheless, I wanted to share the information still that was in the previous live. So this is going to be the new live. So thank you again for all of those that come in live and share and ask for information about what me and my family have been doing to live a healthier lifestyle and build wealth through couponing. So you won't get to see making the grilled cheese sandwich with Brooklyn because unfortunately she has already eaten it. But nonetheless, I wanted to talk about the first thing I shared was about the bread. The bread that I used for Brooklyn was this bread here. It doesn't matter what bread, but I just wanted to point out is this bread is 110 calories. This is not a bread that myself or my husband would eat because it has so many calories. It has a lot of sodium, and it's okay for the kids, but not okay for us. So if you compare your breads to the bread that I want to show you, this is a really good bread. This is 647, this old time bread. You can get it at many grocery stores. The thing that I like most about it, if you can see very clearly, it's 6 net carbs, 40 calories, and 7 grams of fiber. So if you look at this other bread here, the calories on this bread is 110 calories, and that's for one slice of bread. Whereas you can eat 2 of these 647 slices of bread and you're still not even close to 110 calories. So the 647 bread is, if I desire to have some bread toast in the morning, this is what I use. This, to read how you get your net carbs, it's important for you to look at the back of the nutritional facts, and it tells you there the 40 calories. But the important thing for you to find out the net calories, when you look at the total carbohydrates, it says 13 grams of total carbohydrates, but you also have to look at the dietary fiber. The fiber is what keeps you regular and keeps you passing it. Like fruits and vegetables are high in fiber. So that's what you're looking for, something that has high fiber. So this is how you get your total net carbs. So you subtract the 13 grams of total carbs from your dietary fiber, because that's what your body is using, and that's 13 from the 7 grams is how you get the 6 total net carbs. So when we were talking about making Brooklyn's grilled cheese sandwich, of course, I always use something that I get on sale. The Sargento was on sale at Harris Teeter when I purchased it. It was buy one, get one free. And I also managed to save because I had a Catalina. A Catalina is the coupon that comes out of the register after you make a purchase. So of course, in order for me to get more savings on this Sargento cheese, it was on sale and I used the Catalina. So that's how I was able to save even more on this Sargento cheese. So when I made Brooklyn's grilled cheese sandwich, I did measure. She got 1/4 of a cup, even though she had the bread with higher calories. She did get the serving of cheese. So grilled cheese sandwiches require some butter. In one of my other videos, I always kept calling it Challenger. This is Challenge butter. So there's the sticks is what this package came from, and the spreadable butter with canola oil. So 1 serving of this is 1 tablespoon is 90 calories. You can use that 1 tablespoon to go through your whole sandwich for your grilled cheese sandwich. The couponing tip that I want to share with the Challenge butter, So if you use the app Ibotta, Ibotta has this challenge butter on the app. So I know for a fact it's on Walmart because I get it often at Walmart. One of the tips I want to share with you is if you manage to get a Catalina for this challenge butter, that's going to be even greater to use at Walmart. But it's also been on sale. I know it's been on sale at my local Harris Teeter. And it happened to be an evict item. So if you know anything about evict items, and regardless if you have a Harris Teeter in your area or not, many stores run sales for you to get very discounted items. But the key that I want to share with you, if you have a Catalina, if it's on sale, one of the keys is many products have coupons in their items. So I'm holding this up, and I took this out because I have so much challenge butter. So, and my husband will tell you, I will bust open this package in the store, and I bust it open in the store because there's a coupon inside. And it's only in the one that has the 4 quarters, not in the spreadable. But this is a 55-cent coupon, and many stores double their coupon. So now think about this. It's already on sale if you have a Catalina for the item. But say it's not on sale. You will still get, in many stores, double their coupons. This is a 55-cent, and they double it to $1. So you will get $1 off this item off top. The great thing to do the apps on your phone, it also has that coupon. So that's how you would double stack your savings there. So that is one of the pieces that I wanted to share. Didn't want to stay on long. I want to thank you all again for supporting me. Please make sure you go to our YouTube channel, The Howard Happenings, and if you want to see this video, go back to it. I will also guide you through using the apps. Again, the app is Ibotta, and you have to add it to use it. You have to add the coupons to use them first. So make sure you go to my Facebook page and our YouTube channel to subscribe. I'm really trying to get 50 subscribers to our page by the end of today. So help us with this endeavor. Hopefully you are enjoying the information I'm sharing, because it's all about making sure we are all increasing our wealth and staying healthy.